It's not often that I give a 5-star review to items, but this particular one deserves it. This is the Plugable, the one with the dual display. There are two different varieties, so this is the one with the dual display. This is the one that cost a little bit over $100, if that gives you any idea of which one this is. Anyway, as you can see, everything is plugged into that, and this is my laptop. My laptop does not have 1920 x 1080 resolution. It has a much smaller one, and that's always one of the drawbacks of buying a laptop as opposed to a desktop. But this unit pretty much helps overcome that particular problem. So take, for example, I'm going to drag something. I can drag this over here to my other monitor, and this particular monitor is 1920 x 1080 resolution. And not only that, and you see how I can easily drag it back and forth. Not only that, but I can also drag it over to a third monitor that is 1920 x 1080. So it's just unbelievable to me that it even works. So anyway, it's a really neat item. It really is going to let me get a lot more out of my work. I'll probably be buying another one for downstairs. And it does just use one plug. So you have just one USB connection here that connects your laptop to the Plugable. I hope that helps.